Hello everyone. So now let's turn on the negative side of the motion. Is AI a helpful tool or a threat to education? While artificial intelligence offers cognitive convenience and quick access to information, I firmly believe that AI poses significant threats to education. Its increasing use in schools and universities can encourage academic dishonesty, weaken problem solving and critical thinking, and create issues related to misinformation, privacy, and inequality. Therefore, AI should be viewed as a threat rather than a benefit to education. Here I have three arguments. My first argument is that AI encourages academic dishonesty and cheating. One of the main goals of education is to help students learn, think independently, and develop knowledge through their own efforts. However, AI tools can generate essay, answer homework questions, also solve mathematical problems, and even complete entire assignment within seconds. And so they're not really not really use their critical thinking and problem solving skills. As a result, many students may submit AI-generated work instead of producing their own ideas. This reduces genuine learning because students focus on obtaining answers rather than understand the concept. Over time, dependence on AI can damage academic integrity and make it difficult for teachers to accurately assess student abilities. So, in the research published in the International Journal of Education and Technology in Higher Education highlight growing concern about the use of generative AI in academic settings and its potential impact on cheating and plagiarism. Many educators have reported challenges in determining whether student work is genuinely original or produced by AI. Therefore, AI threatens the fairness and the honesty that education is built upon. The second argument is that AI reduces student critical thinking and problem solving skills that I already mentioned in the first argument. The second argument is tell about AI reduce student critical thinking and problem solving skills. Education is not simply about finding answers, it's about analyzing information, evaluating evidence, solving problems, and developing independent judgment. When students rely heavily on AI generated responses, they may stop engaging deeply with learning material. Instead of researching, comparing sources, and forming their own conclusion, students can simply ask AI for instant answer. That's right. So for this era, is use AI is so general. Where it may save time, it can also prevent them for developing essential intellectual skill. If students become too dependent to AI, they may struggle to think critically when facing real-world, face-to-face situation where independent reasoning is necessary. So, I have the evidence that is a systematic review published in Smart Learning Environment found that excessive dependence on AI systems may negatively affect cognitive development, critical thinking, and independent learning habits among students. These show that although AI can provide information quickly, it may weaken the very skill that education aims to develop. Okay, next we jump to the third or the last argument. My third argument is that AI creates risk related to misinformation, privacy, and inequality. First, AI systems are not always accurate. Mm, the AI tools can missing information too. They sometimes generate false or misleading information while presenting it confidently. Students who trust AI without verification may learn incorrect facts and spread misinformation. Second, AI tools often collect and process large amounts of user data. This raises concern about student privacy and data security. Educational institutions must protect sensitive information, but AI systems may create additional risk. Third, access to advanced AI technologies is not equal. Students from wealthier families may have access to premium AI tools and better internet connection, while others may not. This could widen the educational gap between different socioeconomic groups. So, the use AI have to use money. So, big, but while the family is the low economy, they are difficult to use AI because they not have a premium AI, so they cannot use AI for free. The evidence is UNESCO has warned that generative AI presents challenges involving misinformation, data privacy, and inequality access to technology. The organization emphasized the need for careful regulation and responsible implementation of AI in education. Therefore, AI can create new problems that make education less fair and less reliable. So, in the conclusion, AI should be considered a threat to education because it encourages academic dishonesty, weaker critical thinking, and problem-solving skill, and creates risks involving misinformation, privacy, and inequality. While AI may offer convenience, education is not only about obtaining answers quickly. Education is about developing knowledge, character, creativity, and independent thinking. If students become overly dependent on AI, this essential educational goal may be undermined. For this reason, I firmly believe that AI is more a threat than a helpful tool to education. Thank you.